Franco Morbidelli is confident about his chances in the 2025 MotoGP season after a strong preseason with the VR46 Ducati team. The 2020 runner-up, now riding the GP24, impressed at the Buriram test, finishing 7th overall and completing a solid race run. With Ducati's factory team running 2024 spec engines, aero, and chassis, the performance gap between satellite and factory bikes has narrowed. Morbidelli sees this as a big opportunity, stating, "We're in the mix, so our chances are pretty open." Despite Marc Marquez setting the pace, Morbidelli remains optimistic, praising his new team's passion and history in the sport. "We're a big bunch of passionate guys who made history in this sport," he said. As the season approaches, Morbidelli's promising start with VR46 signals an exciting battle ahead. Could 2025 be his breakthrough year?